Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to show you the products which I regret buying, especially makeup products. This video is all going to be makeup products, so that मैंने ये चीज़ें खरीदी so that you don't buy it and you don't make a fool out of yourself. That's why I'm going to show you. There are a lot of products, like yes, I have a lot of products. So if you want to watch this video, make sure you grab a coffee or a snack, and yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Now I don't know from where to start because मेरे पास बहुत सारे products हैं, तो चलो हम बेस प्रोडक्ट से ही स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो जो सबसे पहली चीज़ है, I don't know if I have shown this thing in my other videos or not, but then the very first thing which I regret buying is this one. This is the Wet n Wild Dewy Finish Primer. मैंने इसको खरीदा था because so many people talked so many good things about this one, but actually whenever I use it, I don't know, I mean I don't like the texture of this particular primer. बहुत सारा निकल गया by the way, and ये lipstick swatch है, please excuse this. Now the texture of this particular thing is the most irritable thing which I don't like. I mean इसको जब मैं लगाती हूँ अपने face पे, my face it just seems as if I have applied a lot of shimmer particles on my face, and it does not look good. And I tried this particular primer on oily skin type, on dry skin type, on combination skin type, but it didn't work on any of the skin type, so I am not very happy with this particular purchase of mine. So yeah, now let's move towards the foundations. Now I have a couple of foundations to show you. Before that, I just wanted to show you one thing which I didn't like it at all. Now this was a free gift by PAC Cosmetics. This is their highlighter. This is their liquid glow highlighter, and oh my god, it has so many chunky particles. I don't know the shade. I mean it is so bad. ये वाला जो है, ये Wet n Wild से भी ज़्यादा मतलब वाहियात निकला, मैं क्या बोलूँ. And when I just spread it ना, इतने सारे इसमें specs हैं, chunky glitters हैं. I don't know if you can see or not. ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने glitter लगा लिया है अपने face पे. So this is a big no from my side. Please do not buy this one. पैक के बाकी जो highlighters हैं, they are so good. I don't know what is up with this. Totally waste of money. Now the next thing which I'm going to show you, probably ये आप में से बहुतों का favorite product हो सकता है, but then I did not like it. It is the Blue Heaven High Coverage Foundation. I don't know, I mean I am not a very big fan of this particular foundation. High coverage बोलते हैं and many things are there, but then इसकी problem ये है कि it is not high coverage. Second of all, it has fragrance in it. Yes, it does have fragrance in it, जैसे Blue Heaven की हर foundations में होता है. And इसमें pump है, ये एक अच्छी चीज़ है, but then it's not suitable for me and I did not like the shade as well. Shade भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा नहीं लगा, so I'm not a very big fan of this particular foundation. मेरे हेड मेरे पास एक और foundation है जो हो सकता है आप में से कई लोगों का वो favorite foundation हो. This is the Lakme 925 Mousse Foundation. Now it is weightless mousse foundation. My shade is beige caramel. Now everything is good about this foundation. देखो good नहीं, bad about this foundation. Now this is in the mousse texture, and it has zero coverage, I would say. And in fact, from being from so much of oily skin type, this dries out my face. Even from being oily skin type, it dries my face. I don't know to whom this is going to suit, because this does not suit me. So I have wasted my money on this particular product. I highly regret buying this, and I will not recommend you all to go ahead and buy this one. Waste of money. Moving ahead, I have one more foundation. This is the Max Factor Face Vanity Foundation. Now the problem with this one is the shade. I mean, this shade is caramel. but it has a pink undertone which I don't like that much. Otherwise the texture of the foundation is really good. I mean, I really like the texture. It is very good. It gives very good coverage, but then I am not a very big fan of the shade. The shade has pink undertone, so I'll say that my money has been wasted on this particular foundation, but I'm still going to use it because I have bought it. But if you are looking forward to buy this one, please make sure to pick your correct shade. अदरवाइज ये एक वेस्ट ऑफ मनी हो जाएगा आपके लिए, जो मैं नहीं चाहती आपके पैसे वेस्ट हों. Now moving ahead, I have this last foundation. This is by Wet n Wild. This is their stick foundation, जो कि एक recent launch है इंडिया में. Now this shade is toffee, and again the shade is a little bit bummer for my skin tone. And इसका जो texture है, this is good, and इसकी जो coverage है ना, I would say मीडियम कवरेज है एंड ड्राई आउट नहीं करती स्किन को, बट देन द शेड इज़ अ बमर एंड बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट आपको लगाना पड़ता है इफ़ यू वांट टू यूज़ दिस, एंड देन इट ट्रांसफर्स अ लॉट, एंड दीज आर द थिंग्स विच आई डोंट look into a foundation. So sorry, I do not like that foundation. Now moving ahead, I have a face powder. So this is by K Beauty. Now don't get me wrong, I love the powder, but the shade is again does not suit me. It's very dark for me. Although the shade they say is pecan, but then the shade, I mean, it does not suit me. It is so dark on me. And given the fact now we are heading into winters, so this is, I don't know how I'm going to use it because it is very dark on me and I am NC42. So please make sure when you are buying this, buy your correct shade. And it's a brow product. This is the L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist product. Now when I bought it first, I really liked using it, but eventually I made out that the brush is not very good quality. I mean, it is so super duper movable, and then the actual product, the color of the product does not suit me, so I'm not a very big fan of this brow pomade. You can give this a pass, plus it dries out very quickly, so for me it's a huge no-no. Now moving ahead, I have a blush, and this is, mind you, very famous blush. This is the Milani Baked Powder Blush. This is in the shade Coralina. Now the shade is so pretty. I mean, this shade is really pretty, but packaging is shitty, as you can see. It just came out. The problem with this blush is that it has chunky particle. Oh my god, don't get me started. This is how the blush looks like. Now the color is very pretty, very suitable for Indian skin tone, but these shimmer particles, they transfer a lot and then they spread on your face. So if you are applying the blush thinking that, oh, this is going to give me a luminosity, you are wrong, because that particular glitter particle, that will spread on your face, making your face a glitter ball. So please don't buy this one. We have so many good blushes from so many other brands, so please go and buy that. Do not buy Milani blushes, you will regret it. So many people, they just tell so many things about this blush, but then the packaging is also not good, I think so, and then the product itself is not that good. Ahead, this is going to be a really painful thing which I'm going to show you, and this was so expensive. This is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Gold Deposit. Now the shade name is Gold Deposit, and this is a highlighter, by the way, from MAC. Now I bought it, I think 1 year back. Now the problem with this one, it looks so pretty in the pan. Now when I swirl my finger around it, this is first of all shade which is darker for my skin, if you can see, and it does not give effect of a highlighter, nor it gives an effect of setting powder. So I don't know how I'm going to use it, because again this has particles of glitter, and the color itself is not very flattering. So I don't know, it's again a waste of money. I have wasted a lot of money in the past, and I'm now, you know, thinking that I should not waste that many money of my hard-earned money on these products which don't work, so that you guys also don't buy them. Now moving towards the next product. Again, it's a very expensive product. Now I'm not very sure about this thing, but then I know that this is not going to suit me. This is the Bahama Mama bronzer, and this is in the shade, I can't find the shade, but this particular shade was available on Nykaa. Now if you can see here, this is how the bronzer looks like. Now this is not a bronzer for me. It seems, if you can see, I have swatched it here. Now it does not work as a bronzer on me. I mean, it is very weird. I don't know how to explain this. Now it was expensive, but it does not suit me. So again, one more product which just goes in vain. Now I'm going to show you eyelashes. So I have this Nykaa eyelashes. Now I don't know where I have kept the actual lashes. Now the problem with these are that they retail for 150 rupees, and I don't know, I can't use them. They retail for 199 rupees. Now I can't use them more than twice. I mean, दो बार जब मैंने इसको, दूसरी बार जब मैंने इसको use किया, then my the lashes, they were like distorted. I don't know, and I took care of them so well, but then दो बार से ज़्यादा आप इसको use नहीं कर सकते. So I don't know. Not a very big fan of these lashes. Just like that. And प्लस जो इसमें स्टाइल्स हैं वो भी मुझे बहुत सूट नहीं करते. सो आई बॉट 2 of them, but I'm not going to buy them in future because these are like a waste of money for me. This is an old product. This is the Wet n Wild glitter eyeshadow. Now the color is very pretty, don't get me wrong. The color is really pretty, I would say. But the problem is that it appears like a Vaseline. If you can see, it is so gooey, it is so chipchipa. I mean, I haven't even used it, guys. Now can you see? It does not do anything. So again, it's a waste of money for me. Now the last product which I'm going to show you is a lipstick. Without lipstick, how my video is going to be complete, right? So this is the Max Factor Lipfinity lipstick. First of all, the packaging is so bad. I mean, look at it. ये अभी से इतना distort हो चुका है. This is in the shade Cashmere Nude. Again, the color does not suit me. उससे भी ज़्यादा the formula, if you can see, this is the color, this is the color. The formula is exact rip of what I feel of Rebel Cosmetics lipstick. I don't remember the name. That was, I think, Superstay lipstick. I don't remember the name exactly. But those are really good lipsticks, and this is this exact same copy of those lipsticks. You can get your hands on them at a much cheaper price, and then you can see the packaging is bomb of that particular lip product. So again, not very happy. Guys, that was about it. I hope you will enjoy this video. बताना मुझे आपने कोई product use किया है और you don't like it. So I would be more than happy to know. Leave in the comment section. I hope this video was helpful for you. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care, and I love you guys a lot. Bye.